What's up, everybody? It's Tyson from World Sports again, and today we're going to watch another Helenesvale Hogs under 8's video.
But this one's a little bit different, Tyson. This one we've got some sound effects to go with it. We had nicknames from the last game. Let's go through some of the sounds associated with the players. So Maxie was known as Big M.
Something big, I feel it happening.
Ant-Man, Little Cooper, he was small but he has superpowers. Now we've also got, we had Snowy, who of course was known as Game of Thrones. Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming for him.
And winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
I love that sound at the end. Coach Phil. Punk's a tawny Phil.
Ladies and gentlemen, Punxsutawney Phil.
Yeah. That's exactly right. Now, Rocky, he got into a tussle or two. Well, not just the last time we did a video, but this time as well. Okay, now, Teabag, you've got your own little sound.
Ready, baby. Come on.
Yeah. Now, Zachy is the Hulk.
Turn into the Hulk and ever-loving Hulk.
Yes, Hulky. Now, Benji, the machine. Yeah, you definitely need to feed the machine. There's no doubt about that. Now, we had Jonah was J-Train.
All aboard!
Tickets, please. Okay, and we had Xander, X-Men. All right. But there's one more. There's a newbie. There's someone who didn't get a nickname last time round, who's got one this time. And his name is Miller. So we're going to play with something like, M&M, because we have the big M. We didn't want to just get too repetitious, but in the midst of that came the idea for this one.
Hi, my name is what? My name is my name is Slim Shady.
Slim Shady is Miller. All right, so we're ready to get into this. Look at you in this image. You look like you're.
Look at him.
Hey, that's Slim Shady going, do you know who I am? All right, let's get into watching this game, and I'll try and do the sound effects as we go along. All right, I've got my sound effects keyboard here. I'm going to need you to move it out of the way. So, who's this running? That's Rocky. That's Rocky.
Mustache Man.
Oh, here it goes. Here it goes.
Mustache Man.
Here's X. You can't. That's X-Man. Now, you can't just say random things on the video that make no sense to anybody who's watching it. So let's explain that. Mustache Man's a guy who... Look at Game of Thrones here. Look how politely he puts that in there.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Politely gives it to Big M.
Winter is coming.
Big M, look at him go. Something big is happening. Now, I think he loses the ball there. Look, so the ball's being swung over the other side. And now, watch Big. This is epic. He's done all the work. It's on the try line. It goes, and he falls on it. That's a try for Big M. He did all the hard work before though. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna pause this and come back to this because I want to see T-Bag and how keen he is to get the ball here. Because Game of Thrones is...
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming for him.
And winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Yeah, winter. Yeah. Now he's throwing the ball up to himself. And T-Bag, you kind of wanted the ball. You kind of wanted... Yeah. Here we go. Let's now we're just going to get this up here on the screen. Here, okay, the ball's big, and then you don't even get it. It goes straight past you, Rocky, and now it goes over. Oh, this is the machine. Feed him. Feed him. Feed the machine. Oh, well, look at that run. He's just lost it, just short of the corner, and now another. Oh, huge tackle.
Into the Hulk and ever-loving Hulk.
Okay, now we're going to hand it straight here. There's Rocky, who's going to dish it off to Big M.
Something big, I feel it happening.
Oh. Look at him go. He's lost it. That's Slim Shady, who has Teabag sort of in and around there. But no, this is Rocky. Oh, he's fallen just short. There's there's Teabag. And now it's eventually gone off to the Hulk.
Into the Hulk and ever-loving Hulk.
Hulk. All right, here we go. We've got the Hulk going again, have we? Look at him. Look at him. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Oh, he's going to put on a little sidestep around nobody. There was nobody there for him to sidestep around. He's creating people to step around. You can say something whenever you want, Tyson.
Okay.
Oh, here's Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is what? My name is my name is Slim Sadie.
Here we go. Look at him go. In and away. In and away. In and away. What do we got? Oh, do you like my camera work?
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Yeah.
Winter is coming for him.
And winter is coming.
Winter's coming.
Oh, it's J-Train. They've got him. They've got him. No, they don't. Yeah, they do. No, they don't. Oh, they got him. They got him. No, they don't. Look at him. What a try from the J-Train. Yeah. Oh, J-Train's feeding the scrum.
Let's go. Okay, Rocky's about to get it.
Is he?
Yes.
How would you describe that try, Tyson?
It's kind of like my try this week.
So the job's still got to be done. Wasn't the most challenging. Oh, Slim Shady's going to introduce himself. Watch this. He's going, hey, my name is...
My name is what? My name is...
Falls back to him. Look at this.
My name is Slim Sadie.
He's away. He's away. He's away. And there we are. He's small, but he's got...
Superpowers.
Superpowers.
I'm off on that try.
Yeah, you were a little bit... Okay, well, there's the Hulk.
Turn into the Hulk and ever-loving Hulk.
Hulk. He's looking for body contact. He wants someone to tackle him so he can smash him. But they get him. Look at all credit to them. But then it goes to the big. That's where he owns real estate. He bought property there last game.
Yeah.
All right, there's a great. Oh, look at that teabag tackle. Oh, he's in there. Oh no, we've lost possession. And watch him in and away, in and away, in and away. You can't see him. Look at him go. He's a good player. Oh, Teabag was going for the... There's the Hulk who's collected. Has he got the possession? He's ripped it away. My camera work's gone blurry.
Yes.
Well, I can't see anything. Can't see anything. Oh, it's J-Train.
All aboard!
Tickets, please. He's right up there. Now we've got X-Men and... a little bit of Ant-Man fighting over it, but Ant-Man's going to get away with it. Yes. Left foot. Look, it wasn't enough to go around them. He had to go through 4 of them to prove he's not too small for this game. Look at him. Here we go. We've got some great tackle highlights here. Oh, look at that. X-Men. Huge tackle at the end. Oh, look at this. Game of Thrones was in there. We've got, there's Teabag. There's Teabag. They're just running backwards. They're running backwards. There's the J-Train. There's the J-Train, but it's Rocky with a little bit of the Hulk.
Turn into the Hulk and ever-loving Hulk.
We've got J-Train who's made a huge tackle there. Look at the pressure. Look at the J-Train.
All aboard!
Tickets, please. Look at him. Everybody's literally got on board. Look at that. Wonderful defense. Now, that's Ant-Man. Now, there's Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is what? My name
Combined with Rocky. Now we got Rocky's come up off the line. He's made the first tackle. Bit of defensive pressure. And he's gone back for a second. What a tackle. And who was that? That was Big M. And then we've got, there's the Machine who made a big tackle. And Rocky's run away with it. And then they're still going backwards. Look at this. Game of Thrones had an attempt. Big M got in there. Ant-Man joined him. And now we've got Big M who's run away with us. Wonderful. Oh, look at this. We got X-Man. This is just incredible. Just high pressure footy from under 8's.
I fell over.
Did you fall over?
Yeah.
What a shock.
No.
I don't think I've seen that. What are you doing? Oh, look at them. They're away. They're away. We think, oh, this is over. He's away for a try. Look at this good ball movement from them. They're passing the ball incredibly well, but not well enough to get around the J train.
And Rocky.
All aboard!
Tickets, please. All right. Oh, we got Rocky with the... Oh, we couldn't quite collect it. The machine's chasing, the machine's chasing, the machine's chasing. But it's... Oh, he even got a high five there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Punxsutawney Phil.
Yeah. Quality work from Punxsutawney Phil. Here we go. Look at that. That's wonderful passing. We've got to learn to do that. The Hogs a bit better.
Yeah.
That's incredible ball movement.
I did that.
Who was that? That was Slim Shady with the big tackle.
My name is what? My name is
All right. We got the Hog.
into the house and
Did you see him send that kid flying? Watch it. Whoa. Okay, now this I think is where Teabag just goes and falls over himself. Let me just watch this. Here we go. We're getting. No, Teabag was kind of there. He was. Oh no, here we go. Okay, we're in. He's in there. What?
Ready, baby.
Let's watch it. Let's get it. He went down. Huge run. Some good defence there. Oh, Teabag's gone in to try and get the ball. Oh, Teabag. Here we go. Okay, so plenty of fight going on here. There's Game of Thrones.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is
Winter is coming for him.
And winter is coming.
Winter's coming.
Ready, baby. Come on.
Yes. Did you charge them the taxi ride? Riding on your back like that? Okay, here we go. Now I think we're gonna see a little bit of a tight. This is, I think, where your injury kicks in, Tyson. Here we go, and he stays down. He's kissing the crowd.
You ready? You a bit sore? What hurt?
I got booted in the ankle.
I did.
Yeah, no, I believe you. You told
You gonna be
me.
able to run back on? Alright.
All right.
Now we're going to look at some of the fights that happened in
Fights? We're not looking at fights. The incidents. This is under 8's. We can't go on YouTube talking about under 8's fighting in a game of rugby. It's incidents. There was controversial incidents, Tyson. We've got to get the language right or we're going to get in trouble. Controversial incidents. What are they?
Controversial incidents?
I thought you were going to say fights for a second. You ready to look at them? All right. The first one is with Rocky. Have a look at Angry Face on number 7. Look at him. There's a bit of a tussle there. Spin tackle, spin tackle, spin tackle, spin tackle, spin tackle. Arms flailing everywhere from Rocky. Here we go. Let's just have a look at this. Mum stepped in. The mum, I think, maybe of number 7. One of the other team's mums was very upset. Slow motion. There were arms and legs everywhere. We're gonna let that go through the match review panel as just a little bit of a tackling tussle. Now we've got. No, this is actually. Here we go. Let's go zoom up on Big M. Look at this. He actually put him on a plane and sent him overseas there. Hope his bags were packed. That was number 12 from the other team. Here we go. We got Rocky back in the action again. Look at this. So Snowy copped a little bit of treatment and Rocky stood up for him. I want to go back, if I can, to this moment. Can we see the flailing of arms from Rocky? I don't know that this here, right? Here we go. This is... What, what was that? He is a monster. He is a guy standing up for his mate, and for that, Rocky... Hey, and that's all the highlights from the under 8's team. That was a lot more physical than I had expected. There were no fights. They were just controversial incidents.
Thanks for watching. Like to my channel.
Like to my channel. Where did this come from? Click like to my channel and then go, whoa, sports. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.